A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of Friday. Yes, last working day, Friday, October the 20th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 0 stars Sudoku. We have a 3 stars Sudoku correction, and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. This one has 4 stars, and this one has 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 4 of them, and the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku number 7304. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars Sudokus has 25. This one has 2 more. It's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of sevens. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7 now. Interesting. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. Well, let me see. How about the number? Come on. Well, we have a 5 here, a 4 here, need a 2 here. 2, 4, 6. Interesting. 4, 4. Need a 5 here. I'm stuck. So early. Alright. Let me put some numbers then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then need a 2 here. How about here the 1? Come on. This is taking too long. Well, we have a 9 here. 9. We have 3 here. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Okay. So we need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay, 4, 4. Okay, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. So we need a 5 here then. Okay, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Okay. 6, 2, 4. 6, 2, 4. 6, 2, 4. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 1, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, we have a 9 here. This is 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we got you the hidden number. This should be a hidden number. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a hidden number 4. Okay, so we need a 4 here, but we also need a 3 here. Wow. We have a pair, 3 and a 4 in this row, 3 and a 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in the middle column, so no 3 and 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Right. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Then these 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. We have a 5 here. We have a 6 here. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 8. So the other should be 197, 197, 197, 197. Okay, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. I believe that 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Here also 2 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4. And the 5 we have here. The 6 here. The 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those. Here. 8 or a 9 should be here. Here we have a 1 and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. 1, 8, and a 9. We have 1 and 8 here, so this box should be a 9. Here 1 and a 9. This should be a 1 then. This box should be a 9 then. 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in this row, so this box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 4, 2. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. No 6 here. How about the 9 here? Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. That means here can be an 8. So the 6 and the 5 are left in the middle column. So we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Wow, complicated. So the 8 and the 6 are 8 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8, need a 8 here. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there here, and 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, need a 6 there. 2, no, 3, 4, and a 9. Okay, 3 here, 4 and a 9, 5. So the 6 should be here. Here can be 2, this should be the 2. The 4 cannot be here. We have a 4 here, so the 4 should be there. 3, 3, 3, no, 3, 3, 3, need a 3 there. Okay, 5, 5, 5, need a 6, 6, 6, 6, here 6, there 6. This could be also 6. How about 1, 1, 1, this box should be a 1. 1, 1, here we have a 1, so this box should be a 1. Need a 1 here, could be everywhere. 2, 4, and 9 are missing here, 9 or there 9. 2, 4, and a 9. Well, need to wait. How about these two? The 3 and the 9 are missing. 3 and a 9, okay. How about the 8? 8 should be here. Yeah. The 2. 2. Need a 2 here. 4. Well. Need a 1 here. No 9 here. How about these 2, 6, and the 3? 2, 6, and the 3. 2. We have a 6 here and a 3 here. So this box should be a 2 then. We have a 6 and a 3. So the 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3 here. So this box should be 6. This box should be 3. This box should be a 6 then. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here. So this box should be 2. This box should be a 4. One box left in this column should be the 4. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 9. 1. 6 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Okay, here the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, so this no, we have a 3. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. No. Here we have a pair. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Wait. No. 3 and a 4 and the 9. That means this can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. That box should be a 4. 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here. This box should be a 9. This box should be a 4 then. This box should be a 9 then. This box should be a 4 then. One box left should be the 2. 3 and a 9. 3, 9, and a 5. 5. This box will be 5. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 here. 3, 9. This box will be a 3. 6, 8 should be here, and 9 should be here. 9. 1, 2, and a 4. 4. This will be the 4. 1 and a 2 are left. We have a 2 here. This box will be a 1. This box will be 2. We have a 1 and 8. This box will be 8. This box will be a 1. 8 and a 6. 8, 6, 9. 8. 6 and a 9. 8, 6 and a 1. Ja, ik ga mee. 6, almost clear. 2, 9. We have a 9 here. 2, 8 and a 8 and a 1, 8, 8 here and 8, 9 and a 6. This one 9. Finished in 50 minutes. All right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.